Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a
Hello,
difference.
this is Libby Dyson from libbystamps.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and I'm just recording this video of how to add a post in Blogger. So sign into your Blogger account with your usual credentials and it will open up your Blogger dashboard. Go to Posts on the left hand side and click on it. Go down to Template, where I'll talk to you a bit more about that in a minute, and go to Edit. Now go up here to HTML code and click on it. You'll get all this gibberish you don't understand. Just click anywhere in the body of that post, right click and select all, and it'll highlight it all in blue. Now right click and copy. Alright, go back to compose and you'll see your post is still there. Click the back button and go to Posts, New Post up here. Go to HTML code and you're just going to right click and paste. Then go to Compose and you've got your new post there. So all you need to do then is change the heading to something that you want. Put up here what the post title is and then change whatever you want in the body of the post, and then you're going to click Publish or Save if you want it as a draft. And each time you go to make a new blog post, you can just go in and edit the template as I showed you before. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much. Bye for now.
Everybody plays a part in doing what we love.